Oh my gosh.
He was stinky though.
Yeah, you did stinky fluffs last night. Simba, do you wanna go to the beach
Go to
for
the beach.
Mummy's birthday?
Simi, whisper. Good boy. Good boy. Yes.
Wow.
Eyes closed.
Oh my gosh.
Should we turn on the light, or are you okay with that?
Is it
What,
focused?
yeah, is that what you think?
Should we open it? Do you want to help? Oh, is it a photo of Simmy? You did a drawing.
He did a drawing for you.
You did a drawing for
He
me.
wrote. He put you and me, and you're holding the lead.
The lead. Oh, and the poo bag's on the lead as well.
That's right.
Did
Simi.
you do a drawing? We have no idea what's going
Drawing.
This is what Simmy wrote in the.
Wow.
Has this got something to do with what we were supposed to do today?
No.
This doesn't.
No.
I really hope it's not Dyson Airwrap because they're too expensive. Roller skates? You know, open Simmy?
What is it, Simi?
No!
What?
Way!
What is it?
Did you know?
Is this gonna?
Oh my god. Baby!
What is
She
it?
said they're too expensive. I said just forget it. No way!
Oh my god.
I just watched someone do an unboxing of this yesterday.
Really?
And I was like, it's massive. It comes in this like big leather case. But it's so...
Simi,
Oh
careful.
my gosh, she got me a Dyson Airwrap. No way. I'm going to use it immediately. Look at my hair. Whoa! Look at this. This is the fanciest packaging I think I've ever seen in my life.
Nice.
This is the hairdryer. So, Simmy, you can use the hairdryer if you want. Oh, amazing. Okay, so there's like a tighter curl, I presume,
I think so.
for this way of your hair and this way of your hair. Okay, I need to watch some TikTok tutorials.
Because we've had to reschedule something to Sunday, we have less to do today. So it's.
Am I allowed to know?
I don't know if I want to tell you. So I was thinking to start, we can have a chill morning, and we can go for lunch / brunch, wherever you want. We're going to do something around lunchtime, but now we'll have sort of that lunch period. We can go for a walk or whatever.
Do I go to Miranda?
Yeah, we can go to Miranda. Your mum will be here, so we have to be home at about 4:30. Do you want me to tell you what you're doing? Okay, so
This is what I'm doing on Sunday now.
So what we were organised for Friday, but now what you're doing on Sunday is we are
Skydiving.
going on a helicopter flight above the harbour. And
Oh my god! But since you after the F1, you were like, oh,
no, this was before. I'd booked it before.
Oh, good. I don't have to
20.
jump out of the plane.
So across the city, the harbour, and the beaches.
Are you serious?
So
Wait, so why did they want you to
the reason we had to
reschedule?
reschedule it is because I booked a group booking.
Yeah.
And it was going to cost me an extra $150 for private booking.
Right.
So I thought we could just go
Group's fine.
on Sunday. It's only 2 other people.
Oh, Simba! Do you want to see what I bought? I used my own discount code to buy myself a few birthday dresses just to wear over the weekend because I wanted to.
He's so cute.
You're such a sweet boy. Return policy.
The frick?
Yeah,
doing?
I'm reading a story. Okay, this is the first one. Now this is just like Auntie Ella's beautiful dress. But this is
Whoa.
so cute.
This looks like a... This is really coming back, isn't it?
The corset.
The corset.
It's just so like
Wow.
structured. Okay, so I'm thinking this one to my birthday party tomorrow. So the vibe is pottery. So I thought this could be very cute. And then this was for the activity that we are doing. So I was like, look, this could be very cute. I like the green. Isn't it beautiful?
It's lovely.
And it's like long sleeve, really cute. Jordy's getting his PS5 today. Woohoo! Finally!
Just funny timing that it's on your
my
birthday,
birthday.
which I feel kind of bad about. But
As long as you don't play it all night.
I'm not going to play it.
That's my little haul. You can use the code Jessie Knobs if you want a discount on White Fox. Excuse me, sir.
Don't steal it. Do you want it? $2 grand.
$2 grand. I ran down here. I look like an idiot. I'm going like this. We just let him go and he'll run straight to our door. Look who's here. I fell over and just Benny pulled Tilly face planted through the door.
I always let him off when I get here because he knows when to come.
He's too much. You are too crazy. This is the fit of tonight. Tilly, what are you wearing? My old dress. Yeah, this is yours. Gorgeous. I have no idea where we're going or what we're doing. We're at the train station. Mum's got her plans that she's going to tell me what's happening tonight.
Okay, so we're about to hop on the train.
Geordie, do you know?
Yeah.
Oh.
So we are catching the train
Into the city.
Central Station.
Okay.
So then we're getting off.
Okay.
We're going to Chinatown for dinner. Okay. We're going to Nine Dragons for dinner.
What's Nine?
Nine Dragons.
I have no idea what that is.
the restaurant that
Okay.
we're going to for dinner.
Okay.
And our booking's at 5:45.
Okay. Oops.
Yeah, that's okay. Then we're going to go and see 9 to 5 the musical at the
Wait.
Capitol Theatre.
Wait, what? What?
9 to 5 the musical.
We're going to a
At the
musical.
At the Capitol Theatre.
Oh, fun. This feels.
Working 9 to 5.
Oh, you're gonna have the best time. Sounds good. I did not expect that at all.
No.
Oh, thanks, Mum. That is so exciting.
Thank you so much. That's awesome. Thank you. What is this? Oh my god. Wait, I'm going to spill it.
What do you reckon of the restaurant? Do you like it?
Lovely. Yeah. I think it's nice. This is what I was
Very nice.
hoping for. Yeah,
Happy
cheers.
Cheers.
No, grab your Coke, Jordan.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Don't be that person.
Get my Coke.
Oh, yes.
Okay, there's dairy in the sauce. Okay,
Great.
thank you.
Thanks for letting me know. Tilly and her meat obsession. How was
Oh,
it?
so waiting, hold on. I want to be in it. Let me fix my hair.
You want to be in it? It is Saturday and I am trying out my Dyson. So I've just done the ends. Look, I'm no professional at the moment, but I'm just trying to do like the front bits. I'm gonna give it a go and you guys can sit here and watch. I'm gonna do the little tiny ones, and whichever way the arrows are going, you go the opposite way, or like that's the way it goes. I don't know. Turn it on. I kind of want a bit more volume up here though. That is so cool. I love it.
I'm excited for tonight. You guys have time or are you heading home?
Where are we going? I don't think I have enough chopping boards, I just realised. Extra 3 people.
Funny thing about love is
I don't need to teach you guys how to do anything because you can just like make it up. And I feel like that's the best part, because when I started doing pottery classes, I was like really like adamant about making exactly how these scapulars making it and everything like that, but none of that today. Make whatever you feel like. If there's something, like even like a jewellery dish or something that you want to make, just go through life. I'm here to help if you need an extra pair of hands. This is a white mid fireplace, so it can air dry. If you're making a jewellery dish or something that you just want to have like on display, it doesn't need to go in the kiln. It just can't be washed. So please don't put it through the dishwasher. That would be a disaster. But if you want to make a mug or a plate or anything that you want to like glaze and have to, I guess like, yeah, keep forever and wash, that has to go in the kiln. But again, like if you want to make a mug and just keep it on display, that's totally fine as well. And if you need help, I'm here. Geordie's picking up sushi, but he's been well trained.
and if it won't you need you. Fall back just a little. Don't wanna lead you on. Don't wanna push a feeling and make the feeling go. You see, I got your number, but still I ain't used the phone. No, I let it breathe for a minute, baby. Next thing I know, you call. Damn. One thing I know about love.
We're gonna do show and tell of
So I have a mug. I was gonna say special thanks to Jess Wormsley for helping me make the ball.
I just made a mug for my boyfriend because she's staying with them. And it has little bruises. And Jessie helped me do it. Did I? Yeah, you helped me. She cut like something.
I'm on a coaster with a little mandala on it. Available on Ellis's present. Oh, that's the best.
That's right.
Yeah.
That looks like a comfy mug.
That's good. I could see you and I was trying to copy. I'm like, you should bring this in.
Can I buy it?
Mine's a little jewelry tray. She's not very smooth. She tried.
I made a 10 for a teapot. Art is subjective. So I've got a little espresso mug here.
Wow.
That's neither here nor there. But this piece of art. So I'm actually going to put my jewelry on it and like use it for my photography.
Wow.
It's a nice check.
Wow. I've got a mug. Wow. It's really original because it's got divots in the side too. It may or may not have been my 6th attempt. I am making espresso. Like this one. Espresso in there. Espresso.
Mine's a little thing with a face.
So we started as a duo. And our trade differences, we split halfway through. So Jess decided to make a coaster and I made shapes. Once again, art is subjective.
Okay, wow. I made a dog bowl.
Wow.
So Jess, that's what we could have done if you hadn't split halfway through.
And Jessie did like 80% of it. She did like majority of it. She did the whole corporate.
I did a little hug mug. Says happy 23rd, Jessie.
I'm so proud of you. Hold up. Helicopter. That was so much fun. Unreal. I've never been in a helicopter before, but you have a few weeks ago.
Yeah, well, about a month ago. But
had
I actually
experience.
booked that before we'd been on that helicopter.
Best birthday present ever.
It was good to
Loved
see
it.
the city from that angle. And
Yeah, it was
we're just
very
here.
fun. Oh, sorry. So we're heading home now. Geordie has his new PS5 to open. That was amazing. Oh my god. I feel like now we can finally relax. I had
like
3 days of
like 3
birthday.
days. Yeah.
That was so much fun. Well, that was so much fun. But oh my gosh, what like the last few days, I'm just exhausted. I haven't been sleeping properly. How am I functioning?
Yeah,
That's what
I haven't been
fucking
sleeping
hell.
enough.
We have not been sleeping enough, that's for sure.
People never make it out. I'm a 5-star brain in a 2-star town, and I'ma give it back when I have enough money in my hands, enough for the friends and the fam, and I owe it all to Yahweh.